You were in that book, Eddie and Albert, and you were wonderful. Can I have that? Can I hold that for you? Albert, who were those other wonderful people you were singing with? Of course, I know Eddie here.
They are my brothers. Brothers, except one brother, he's my father.
You certainly are a talented family. Where did you learn how to sing like that, honey?
Philippines.
Come here, I'll help you. Oh, in the Philippines?
Yes.
That rock and roll really gets around, doesn't it? Can I help you, honey? Oh, Loretta's going to help. Well, you want to get out of this? Come here. Let's see if I can help. We're having a terrible time with this cummerbund. Come here.